Hey everybody, I'm Cole at Cyclepath. Welcome to Fresh Bike Friday. Oh, that's not what this is. We're doing something else. Oh, okay, sorry. Let's try that again. Hey everyone, Cole at Cyclepath here, and today we are building a bike on the trail. We keep talking about getting outside and doing stuff, so we figured, why not work outside? So let's dive in.
Pop-ups and bass.
Let's go. Let's go.
All right, everybody, that is how we build a bike from a box out on the trail. That's the Norco Charger A1. The best part of building bikes.
Test ride. Thanks for coming. I mean, it might give us a reference.
50% of the time, every time.
So what's the name of this high-tech tool?
This is called my fingers and a 4mm Allen key. All right, everybody, that is how we build a bike from a box out on the trail. That's the Norco Charger A1. Thanks for doing that with me. We want to do some more of those. Try to clean it up a little bit, have some fun with it. Maybe elk water next time, we'll see. A test ride. Thanks for coming.